Hi everyone! Today we are looking at very interesting new cube, the SwiftBlock 3x3 Super Maglev. It came with very simple packaging. Let's unbox it and enjoy the ASMR song first. Many call this the best budget cube of 2026. At $25 it promises flashy performance. Here's a bright yellow and white box. The design is minimalist and look quite modern. SwiftBlock is GAN's budget line. They stripped away expensive accessories to make the cube affordable. This is the Super Maglev version, featuring a magnetic core and maglev touch instead of springs. No unnecessary hype on the packaging. Everything is to the point. Let's open this up. Opening it. As you can see, it's very minimalist inside. All the budget went in for the mechanism. No tools or pouches here, just the cube. For $25 this trade-off makes perfect sense. The cube was in plastic. First thing I noticed, it's glassy. Look at those cool reflections. The glassy finish provides a great grip. The colors look very vibrant and rich. The SwiftBlock logo looks very clean on the glass. It feels solid, not like a cheap toy. Doing some algorithms. The stability is amazing. The magnets are snappy, and the cube stays square. Let's check the settings, levels of tension. Best part, you don't need a load, just your fingers. The internal design features GAN's honeycomb pattern for loop and a magnetic core. The auto alignment is very snappy. Corner cutting at 45 degrees is smooth and effortless. Third solve, 16 seconds. For a cube straight out of the box, that is solid result. It's fast. The second solve feels stable. The glass helps with control, and Maglev makes it very crispy. Conclusion. For $25 you get premium glass, a magnetic core, and GAN tag. It's my new main. Let me know in the comments what your correct main is and if you'd like to try this Swift block. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching BrainCube. See ya. Bye bye.